Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been so long. I'm so sorry. I suck at this whole YouTube thing. Really. But I am back with another video. This is a natural drugstore, back to school. I don't know what to call it yet. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, many of you wanted to hear about the haunted house situation. I do tell you all about that in this video. So if you want to learn how to get this look, and if you want to hear about my spooky story, keep on watching. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using this COVERGIRL. It's kind of like a pomade. It's honestly so easy to work with. And you guys, excuse the scratch. That's what happens when you have dogs. And it doesn't have to be perfect because of course you're gonna clean it up with some concealer. Just that quick and you have your brows on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera and then I'll come back to clean them up. The next product we're gonna be using is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. So this isn't drugstore, but you can get it at like Ulta, and I think it retails for like $3 or $4. That's why I'm using it in this video. It's a more cheaper option rather than buying a high-end concealer for like $20, because some of us, we're not trying to spend $20 on a concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna clean it up. When I do this, I only clean the bottom. I like to clean the top with foundation and just blend it with your finger. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that same concealer and just dot it all over my eyelids. I'm using this instead of an eyeshadow base. Like, look at that. This looks like I haven't slept in 20 years, and just look at that. Wow. You guys, it feels so good to be back. I feel like it's so easy to get like discouraged in the beauty community, but I've been telling myself like you need to get it together. And yeah, I don't want to do anything too dramatic. The eye makeup's super simple, and I'm cheating a little bit in this video, you guys, because I realized I do not have a drugstore bronzer. So I'm just gonna use this Laura Mercier bronzer for today. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be using this on my face, but also I'm going to use it on my eyes since it's a very light brown. Alrighty, so I'm going in with a Morphe M573, and I'm just gonna take that on the outer corner of my eye and bring it in very lightly. I've learned that when you hold your brushes from the end, it's much easier to blend your eyeshadows out. And that's it. You just see a little, it deepens the eyes a little bit, so it's not just a plain white base. So for the lid color, I'm going to take this COVERGIRL Smoky palette, this white shimmer shade over here. Oh my god. And I'm just popping that on the lid like that. And I'm just using patting motions to get that in there. It looks so simple, but very pretty. So now I'm done with the eyeshadows. I'm gonna move on to the face. So to prime my skin, I'm going to be using this COVERGIRL Pore Minimizing Primer. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. It smells like sunscreen a little bit. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. You guys are probably waiting for the story time part of this. You guys, it freaks me out even to talk about. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm in the shade M15. So let's get into the story time. You guys, I hate talking about it because it's so scary. So we moved into this house about I'd say like in June, and a bunch of creepy stuff was happening to us. Me, my mom, and my sister would all see like this figure standing in the hallway, and it was always at different times that we would see it. When we would tell each other, we realized like we were seeing the same thing. It looked kind of like a white figure, but like a man's body, like walking away. Also, my sister was in her room one day, and everybody was in their rooms. She was laying down and her door handle starts shaking, like someone was trying to get into her room. And she thought it was me or my brother just like messing with her or trying to get in her room to bother her, you know, typical us. But I was in my room and my brother was in the shower. So she ran to my room. Of course, she was all freaked out thinking it was us, but it wasn't. So now we're getting to the part that I hate the most. Okay, so I'm going in with that same BH Cosmetics concealer. The sponge I'm using is a Morphe sponge. I like how I'm getting off subject of the haunted house story. One morning, so this is after all the creepy stuff is happening in our house, and my sister was sleeping with me, of course, because I mean, hello, if you're in a haunted house you don't want to sleep alone. So one morning my dog was in the bed with us, and I was just taking random pictures of her. And I took one picture of her, just one. And so before, when I was taking pictures of her, I was taking like a bunch and just deleting it and just like not even really looking at the pictures. So this one picture that I had taken, I looked at it, and in the background of the picture you can see it's like someone's face. And it just looks so creepy. I showed it to my sister and she thought I literally like photoshopped it, but I didn't. And yeah, we were freaked out after that. I hate pulling up the picture because somebody actually told me if you keep the picture you're kind of like letting it in. So of course when the girl told me that thing about the picture, I deleted it. But I didn't delete it from my messages, so oh, I found it. Honestly, usually if it comes to like ghosts and stuff like that, I'm not really one to get scared. Like before, I'd always be like, just leave me alone, like whatever, but this freaked me out, you guys. Okay, let's just get to it. All the lights were off and stuff. And I took this picture with my selfie camera, and I used the flash, of course. You can see my dog right here, her head's right here, and you see the face right there. You see the eyes and the nose. Oh, I'm shaking, I hate this so much. And after that, guys, we were just time to get a new house. Nothing else crazy has really happened to us, but I mean, it's still creepy. As long as they don't bother me, I won't bother them. So, but yeah, that's the story that everyone was asking about, the picture of the person. And yeah, time to change the subject. Powder in shade Classic Ivory, and I'm just gonna set my face. So when I used to put on powder, I would use like a big powder brush and I would kind of like sweep on the powder. I've learned when you press the powder into your skin, it just looks much better. Okay, now I'm gonna take Airspun and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes to bake. So I'm using the Laura Mercier bronzer. Okay, now I'm going to take this Milani blush in Luminoso, and I'm just gonna place that on the apples of my cheeks. I like placing it on like underneath my nose. I feel like, I don't know, it looks cute. I'm gonna go ahead and slap on some lashes and mascara, and then we'll come back to do the highlight and lipstick. Okay, so lashes are on. Next, I'm going to take this Glow palette by Beauty Creations, and I'm going to take this the lightest shade. So before I highlight my face, I like to wet the skin using either a setting spray or like a primer water. Today I'm going to be using this COVERGIRL Lock Up setting spray. Smells so good. Oh my god. What was that, Coco? It scared me. Really pretty. Coco. Oh my god. She wants to be featured in the video. Alrighty, next I'm going to take this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner in Keep It Spicy. Coco. Gosh, girl. We hear you. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild lipstick and Noodie Patootie. This was my favorite. My favorite lipstick for such a long time. And it just looks so pretty, so natural. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys loved it. I hope this helps if you need help with your back to school makeup, natural makeup, whatever you want to call it. It's honestly such a quick and easy look to do. Let me know what else you guys want to see for my next videos. I plan to keep on uploading at least once or twice a week. I know I always say that, but I promise I'm getting it together now. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I am forever grateful for all of you that continue to support me. Thank you so much for watching. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.